Hello everyone, today I am going to explain VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, this is my data: employee number, employee name, salary, department. I will explain VLOOKUP function with the help of two examples. So this is my Excel sheet in which I am showing you the data of employee number, employee name, salary and department, and my data contain only 4 rows. It's just for demo purpose I have created 4 rows, and in the second example I will explain the VLOOKUP function with more than 100 rows. So what is VLOOKUP functions? So see here, suppose in this sheet, as you can see, employee number 102, employee number 103, employee number 104, and I want to see the salary of this employee number 102. So if I want to see the salary of this employee number 2, then I have to switch from sheet 3 to this sheet and see the employee number 104 salary is 34,000 and employee number 102 salary is 15,000, and this data has only 4 rows, so I can look easily by switching between the sheets. But what if your data contains more than 500 rows or more than 1000 rows, and you have the data of more than 1000 employees, and it's very difficult to find a particular record, for example to find the particular salary of a particular employee. So it's very difficult. So for that purpose we will use the function VLOOKUP. So I am going to explain VLOOKUP function. For that, just write VLOOKUP. So when you write VLOOKUP, see, first of all it is showing you the lookup value, that which value you want to look up. I want to look up this value, so just select this. And next argument, as you can see, the bold argument, table array. I want to look the record of employee number 102 in my another sheet. So go to that sheet, click, and here select all the columns, select all the sheet. Fine. As you can see, this sheet has 4 columns: employee number first column, employee name second column, third column and fourth column, and then comma. Which record you want to find? I want to find the salary of a particular employee. So this salary is column number 3. So this is first column, second column and third column. So just click third because I want to see the salary. And then there are 2 options. True is for approximate match and false is for exact match. I want exact match, so I am going to select this false and then bracket close and press enter, and you will see employee number 102 has salary 15,000, and you can verify it from the another sheet. Yes, employee number 102 has salary 15,000. Fine. Now what I am going to do, suppose you want to find the department of that employee. You want to find the department, and department is column number 4, first column, second column, third column and fourth column. So I will update this formula, and instead of 3 I will look at the formula bar. I will type 4 and then I will press enter, and you can see the particular department of that employee number. So it's very easy. If you want to find the name of employee, and the name is column number 2, so just go to the formula and then 2, enter. So employee number 2 name is Suni. So similarly you can drag the formula here, and you can see employee number 102 name is Suni, employee number 103 name is Rikesh, employee number 104 name is Rahul. So it's very easy. And similarly you can modify the formula. If you want to update the record, you can change. So this is the salary. Fine, and you can drag the formula. So So it's very easy VLOOKUP function. So instead of going to that particular sheet and finding the record, you can just use the formula. Okay, so this data has only 4 rows. Now I will explain VLOOKUP function with another example. So this is the insurance data, and you can see the different columns: policy, expiry, location, state, region, insured value, construction, business type, earthquake, food. Fine. And this data has see more than 500 records, as you can see. Fine. Now suppose I am going to sheet number 1, and let me zoom. I want to find the insured value of this policy 100629. One option is to scroll down this sheet and then find that particular record and then find the insured value, which is very time consuming. Fine. Another option is you can use VLOOKUP formula. So I am going to explain VLOOKUP formula again. So VLOOKUP, and see the arguments. It takes 5 arguments: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. It takes 4 arguments, sorry. So I want to look up the value of this policy number. So first argument is lookup value. I want to look up the values of this policy number in another sheet. So first argument is this one. Second, I want to search this value in another sheet, this one. So my table array will be this one, and select all the columns. You can select all the columns. You can select all the sheet, or you can simply select all the column. It's upon you. So I have selected all. Fine. Now my third column, my third argument. The third argument is the value which I want to find in this sheet. Value of the column number. You can see column index number. So first column is policy, second expiry, third location, fourth state, fifth region, and sixth is insured value. So I will type 6, and last argument is false because I want the exact match, and I will close this formula, press enter, and you can see the insured value of this policy number is this one. Fine. And you can scroll it down. So it's very easy. So policy number 100659 has insured value this one. And suppose if you don't apply the formula, then you have to scroll down, and then you have to find that policy number 100659, and it will take your time. So this one, see, 100659 has insured value this one, and you have easily find it using the formula.